Welcome to this PIERRE Academy tutorial. In this video, we will show how to use NFC tags to open doors or trigger scenarios. In this example, we will use an NFC tag to open a door. This can make entry much faster because instead of opening the app and searching for the door, we can simply tap the phone on the tag and unlock it instantly. We start by opening the PIERRE app. Here we already have a door available, and this is the one we will configure. As you can see, we can open and close the door manually from the app. Now we go to Menu, choose Academy, then Token, and select Add New Token. Here we choose New NFC. We give it a name, for example, Door NFC. Then we choose the action we want to control, in this case the door. Next, we save the setup. Now all we need to do is take the NFC tag and tap it with the phone. The app registers it immediately. After that, we save it and place the tag wherever we want. From this point on, whenever we want to enter, we do not need to search for the door in the app anymore. We simply tap the phone to the NFC tag and the door opens instantly. The same method can also be used for scenarios, not just doors. And in the history, we can always see who triggered the action and from which phone. One important note, if the phone is locked, it will not work due to the phone's security restrictions. We need to unlock the phone first, and then the NFC tag will work immediately. And that's it. See you in the next video.